Hi guys, welcome back to the Crown Traders. My name is Joseph, and in this video today I want to answer one of the pressing questions that is in the hearts of both beginners and pro traders alike. It was derived from one of my students. He sent me a message saying, "Sir, is it important to continue trade using demo accounts to trade? If yes, why? And then for how long?" And I gave him some list of responses, and I would like to share it with a larger audience. I had to put it down so that I would not forget those responses. Now, number one, I told him it's an opportunity for you to explore your trading environment or your trading platform, right? There is nowhere that you are taught how to interface or use your trading platform. So both the demo traders and the live account traders, they use the MT5, MT4, C-Trader, TradingView, and the likes of them to practice their career or their forex trading skills. So I told him it's important that he use it to explore the trading platforms. Number two, I said, learn without financial risks. It is in this demo environment, virtual or paper money account, that you will learn without the financial risk. You don't have anything. You don't have to put anything. These brokers give you this amount of money, and then you use those money to practice your skill without having any financial risks or putting your own money that may easily get blown off. Number three, I told him that is the platform for you to practice risk management. Risk management, the use of stop losses, take profits, the use of risk to rewards. That is a platform for you to practice risk management. Without that platform, you cannot successfully go ahead and use it. Well, the use of lot sizing apps and indicators are good, but it is on the platform that you must apply those lot sizing, pips calculations, and the likes of them. So number four, I said you on this platform, on these platforms, you get access to real-time market conditions, market charts. Are you seeing that? Real-time market charts, that is whatever is happening on the demo interface is also happening exactly in the live interface. The difference now is that in the live interface, your money is put as a capital to be used for the trading, while on the demo interface, it's free money where you can use it to test your your trading skills. Number five is strategy development and testing. It is in the demo environment that we have what we call strategy tester. For those of you that are interested in creating of AIs or EAs, expert advisors for trading, it is in those environments that you carry out strategy testing and development. You know what to tweak, what to remove, what to add, what not to use at all, so that your strategy can be a little bit maximum in its profitability and efficiency quotient. Now, back to are you tired of losing trades, chasing signals, and struggling to find consistency in the forex market? Hello, welcome. I am Joseph, the Crown Trader, with 9 years plus experience in forex trading. I have mentored students across Africa and the entire globe, helping them trade with clarity, confidence, and profitability. At the Crown Traders Academy, we teach principles, simplicity, and profitability. This is no gimmicks, just real forex trading education that transforms how you see and trade the market. Our complete mentorship program is valued at $1,000, but for a limited time, we are giving a whopping 80% discount. That means you pay only $200 to secure your spot and lifetime assets with the following condition to have access to our SRA trading model. Do this. Number one, click on any brokerage link in the description below and register. Number two, fund your registered account with at least $50. Number 3, send a screenshot of your $200 for your mentorship and your $50 funded in your trading account via WhatsApp to be added to our global mentorship group. Join the Crown Traders Academy today, where we empower traders, transform life, build ethical wealth across Africa and the globe. Register now. Offer ends soon. See you on the other side. Blessings. I would like to give you just two more reasons why you need to stay on the demo environment and for how long. Number one reason why you need to stay on the demo environment and for how long is that most of the times when you have serious investors wanting to do business with you in terms of financial funds management or accounts management, you can use your demo accounts to build or to show them as a means of showcasing your ability to trade profitably over a period of time. I have a list of some of those accounts where I place the trade I will place on my live account on those demo accounts and give it to investors for them to have access to and measure the risk that they want to measure and see if they can pull through with any serious financial engagement or funds management with me. Number 2 is that is the point where we test the profitability of your strategy. The profitability of your strategy is built from your demo account. Now, in this case, you get to find out what interface to use, what tools to use that can enable you become profitable. Are you going to be using pure price actions, or are you going to be using impure price action, where we have to use indicators like zigzag tools, RSI, stochastic, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku clouds, and the likes of them? You will have a lot of options to know if you want to go on the pure price action way or the impure price action way. It all starts from the demo interface. From there, you get to know if you are going to use Fibonacci retracement tool, you're going to use the equidistant tool, what tools are going to be responsible for your technical analysis that will produce maximum output at the end of the day. So how long should you be in this interface? If this is very important to this level, how long should you be trading on the demo interface? Because this has led a lot of mentors using it as a means to lure students for fees. Experts use it to lure students for fees and all that. But you should not stay in the demo interface exceeding a period of 3 months. Yes, 3 months is enough for you to learn, test, back test, front test. Meanwhile, I don't do back tests. One of the things I tell my students often is that back tests will work because they are historical data, things that have already happened. They will work. But what doesn't work is usually, I call it front test. Forward testing, it does not work. If you want to see a strategy that works, let's just have a real-time, market condition. Apply your strategy to a real-time market condition. That way, you can know the profitability quotient of that strategy or approach. I hope this has helped you a lot. If you have not part of our SRM model, please try and be, because what we do in that place is not back tests. We do front tests, and that way you can know if our strategy is profitable in real time or not. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope this has been quite fun and educative for you as it is for me. See you in subsequent videos where we deal with more principles, simplicity, and it will affect our profitability in the long run. Thank you guys, and cheers. Blessings.